Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to share the best tips and tricks in Adobe Illustrator. So let's start with the first one. I found this very helpful. When you go here to this paint brush or press B, there was a lot of times when I wanted to create straight lines. This is not, sometimes you're getting it and it's actually straight, but you gotta be very careful. The solution for this I learned, if you hold shift and then you draw, all the lines are straight. As you can see, there's no lines, curvy lines. So now, as you can see, we don't have curved lines anymore. All the lines are straight. And that's only if you hold shift. If you draw like this, if you draw some straight line, you can still have, but it's just that it's takes more time. But if you hold shift, every single time you draw a line is straight. There's more precision and it can save you more time. Now, on to the next tip or trick in Illustrator. So you can also use the artboard. Click on here and then just hold Alt and drag, and this is great for me because I can be more productive in Illustrator, and you have also non-destructive work. You can create multiple artboards, and then every time you see, that's how I work. I create a different artboard with the different state of that logo, and I'll move that up here, or I will move in a different artboard basically, so I can be more organized. And just hold Alt here so you can duplicate. Now of course you can also draw with this like this, but I want the same resolution. Usually every single time I want the same resolution, so that's why I hold shift. Now let me show you the next tip. Okay, now another one here. You grab a rectangle, and here you would like to create some guides, and this method is very great. And here you can actually add the exact size. Also, you can disable this. And now I'm also going to change the color. Go to object, and now here is very important. Let's go to object. We're gonna go to path and split to grid. Now here I'm gonna enter 10, 10, 10, 10, and now you can click on preview to see the results. Now this is the result. Now you can right click on here and make guides, and now we have a guide here. I can simply grab like this and add in. I'm more precise now. It will snap without any problems. Just make sure you go in view and enable snap to grid. All right. And this can be very helpful if you want to be precise in your work. Now let's move to the next tip. Now another great tip I learned, or strategy, or yeah, just a tip in Illustrator is this one. So we grab a text, and now here we add some text, right? And when you add a text, you would like to create this effect. It's really great. So you have some text here, and now, and the font, of course, you should take more time and create something, a phone that looks better, but that's just for demonstration purposes. Now just grab appearance from here, and then what you're gonna have to do is, here we are in type, and here I'm gonna go in type here and characters and opacity, right? But here you can add, let's add some first a new color, and I'm going to change this to a different color, and then another fill, and here I'm going to change this to this color. Now for this one I'm going to go here and then convert to a rectangular, and now I can move this here, and now every single time I type more, this will actually extend, which is great. Just so you know, here is there no selection, and if you want, and here you can double click on where is it, you have this color, fill, and opacity. You can change from here if you want opacity, but click here, back here, and select. Just so you know, you are in type right now. If you want, you can go in characters, and here you have the fill and color stroke. But yeah, very helpful tip as well. Now let's move to the next tip. Now another great tip I learned is to use smart guides. So press on your keyboard, Control press R to enable, and now you have smart guides here. You can also go to view and then we can go to rollers and hide rollers, Control R, as you can see. And now we can also grab from here, and using smart guides we can be more precise. Another one here, and we can grab another one from here. Now you might want to actually move these guides here, but you can't, right? Well, what you have to do is, if you go here in view and then here in view, you should see rulers and then guides, and here make sure you click on this button, unlock guides, and then you'll be able to move the guides. And this is great if you want to be really careful and precise when you're working in Illustrator. So I hope you found this tip helpful. Now let's move to the next tip. Another tip is you just hold, and then now I'm gonna grab actually this one. I learned this trick from a YouTube video, and if I hold tilt key and then you drag, you can create really nice effects like so. And I think it's pretty great, you know. You can also use hold alt, and if you want to create this effect, and then you can edit this, and how many points are here. So pretty great, helpful in different situations. Now let's move to the next tip. Another one, it's very important, which is, I'm going to show you right now. Just going to add some stars, and now go to select all, and a great tool, press M, press Shift to use the shortcut, is the shape builder. Also you can use the shortcut, here you have the shortcut Shift plus M, sorry, and here you can see Shift plus M, and you have the shortcut, and also to use it you can for example, so let me show you here, you hold Alt and you remove this portion. Now you want to join all of these portions here, you draw like this, exactly like this, and now you join all of this, and now you have this shape. Well, You gotta remove this one, and now you have this interesting shape. Let's undo and Control plus Alt to select, Control plus M. Now we can remove, let's say, these portions here, and by using this shape builder, you can create very nice shapes. And yeah, that's primarily the reason why you should use this tool, because it can help you create different shapes and really nice shapes, you know. So yeah, that's now let's move to the next tip,